Our client is a leader in auto glass repair and replacement. They provide repair or replacement services for auto glass parts either at in-house service centers or directly at the customer site. Predicting the auto glass part that would be needed for a specific vehicle would help them provide better customer service and increase the efficiency of their operations. With a diverse range of vehicles and ADAS advanced driving assistance systems, predicting the right auto glass part became a Herculean task. There are more than 4,000 cars in the US market. The number of possible auto glass windshields for a specific vehicle range from mere 1 to as many as 32 for certain vehicles. In addition, at the time of booking the appointment, the client has only VIN information about the vehicle. Soothsayer stepped in with a groundbreaking solution. We analyzed and assessed the data available with client to check if data could help predict the parts. We identified and recommended third-party data source IHS to help augment client data and provide additional information about vehicles using VIN decoding. We orchestrated a strategic symphony of data analysis, third-party augmentation, and advanced AI. This resulted in an AI-based prediction system that transforms the auto glass landscape. We developed an innovative framework where each car make, year, and model gets its own predictive model. Over 4,000 models strong, our prediction API is a marvel of serverless architecture, fueled by the power of AWS. The retraining pipeline was built in a way so as to update the models with minimal manual intervention while reducing training time. The impact was profound. Our AI models exhibited an impressive 94% accuracy, revolutionizing inventory management and appointment scheduling. The fully automated pipeline empowers business users to effortlessly update models, ushering in a new era of flexibility. We significantly reduced the time taken to complete the hyperparameter tuning on the whole data by 85%,